Single-stop deliveries can be expensive, making it difficult to cover larger areas or service more customers. Without optimized routes, delivery expenses add up quickly. Metrobi's multi-stop routes help reduce costs by allowing multiple stops per route. This feature lets you divide delivery expenses across customers, making deliveries more efficient and affordable. Hi, my name is João, and in this video, I'll show you how Metrobi's multi-stop routes make it easy to plan cost-effective deliveries. Let's discover how you can save money while delivering to more locations. Okay, so let's take a look at the dashboard right now to see how it actually works. Simply click Create Delivery and then request a driver. Now you can add the pickup location, pickup date and time. So let's say maybe tomorrow. Pickup time could be maybe 8:30 a.m. and of course the vehicle type. So let's use a minivan this time, and I can now add our drop-off locations. So if you already have your customers saved, you can simply type in their names and click Add Stop. If not, you can use their address. So let's say Mariana, Add Stop, and also Rebecca, Add Stop. And here we have two options. I can either save as a draft or request a driver. Let's do it slowly. Let's do it together. I'm going to click Save as a draft. Okay, the delivery has been created, but we're not really looking for a driver yet. First, let's make some changes here. You can first optimize the route, which is going to shuffle the stops in the best way possible to save you money and also gas for the driver. And of course, if you want, you can also add pickup instructions and also job description. This is going to make your routes more attractive to drivers. So if you want to say, explain a little bit to your drivers about the route, tell them what they are going to be delivering, you can do it from here. And also, if you want to add some instructions for them to read once they arrive at the pickup location, you can do it from this page. Maybe look for someone, maybe call someone, maybe you can give them a door code or something. You can use this place to do that. Once that's done, you can now click Request a Driver. This delivery is going to be sent to our driver pool for a driver to be found, and we are already looking for a driver match for you. Reduce your delivery costs with Metrobi's multi-stop routes. Click the button below to create your account and start optimizing deliveries today.